Indiana's Attorney General released Volume 4 of the Parents' Bill of Rights. It included several changes made to the first 3 volumes. Hannah Adamson breaks down some of the key changes and updates.
The myth of a separation of church and state came from some case law a few decades ago, but it is a myth.
Indiana Attorney General Todd Rokita releasing Volume 4 of the Parents' Bill of Rights Tuesday. He says the document, which details religious expression allowed in schools, will be the final installment of the bill.
Even though we don't have further installments planned, we do intend to update this document every year according to what changes at the General Assembly.
Parts of Volumes 1, 2, and 3 also updated to reflect new laws. Those include House Bill 1447, requiring schools to catalog all library books and a process for parents to register complaints, and Senate Enforced Act 480, which prohibits surgical and hormonal procedures for transgender youth.
You have the right to be notified if your child requests to be addressed by a name or use pronouns of the opposite sex.
We broadly and firmly support parents' rights in the state of Indiana. We do not support them once they start interfering with the rights of children and harming children.
Rachel Burke with the Indiana PTA says she's concerned these updates could be an overreach of the Attorney General's office.
They give information on bills when they're asked, how bills would change, how their actions, whether or not something would be defendable. They do not recommend policy and recommend changes to law, which this document pretty expressly does.
Now, the ACLU has challenged Senate Enforced Act 480. That means hormone therapy is still allowed for minors. However, Rokita says his office will continue to defend all parts of that law in court.